What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to GB3 Studios. I'm your instructor, Garrin Bulani. You're probably wondering how I ended up here. And I want you to know it's been an extremely long but rewarding journey. You see, 2 years ago, I was an outside sales executive and I had to completely revolutionize the way I conducted business on a day-to-day basis. I was no longer able to go into offices. I was no longer able to meet people face to face. So I had to pivot. I had to start providing my clients with an experience that I knew my competitors weren't doing, which is why I resorted to video. You see, I take great pride in providing my clients with a customer experience that they're going to remember. I take pride in providing my clients with a superior experience I know my competitors are not providing for them. So what did I do? Well, I started out with using my smartphone. I started reaching out to my existing clientele, thanking them for their services and offering them any support that I needed for them at that time. And then I started outreaching to cold calling clients. And the responses I was getting was amazing, which led me to reinvest into myself. You see, this was my original kit: a $50 webcam and a $10 ring light. At that time, that's all I needed to separate myself from my competitors. I was able to shorten my sales cycles. I was able to close more deals. I was spending less time traveling, which resulted in me saving money for my organization that I was with. And my clients appreciated the efforts that I was putting into video and ensuring that I was showing up virtually professional. You see, I want to welcome you into this studio, and I want to welcome you to your virtual video meeting seminar. You see, this workshop is going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can implement video, how you can utilize video to leverage your brand, how you're able to shorten sales cycles, how you're able to connect with new and existing clientele on a more personal basis. Many of my clients tried video. Between hardware confusion, not getting the results that they thought they were going to get, and of course, not knowing where to start, which is why I'm excited to be your instructor on this workshop. We're going to take you through a step-by-step process on how you can incorporate video, talk tracks, how you're able to implement it on a day-to-day basis. You see, you don't have to worry about post-production of video anymore. There's software solutions that I'm going to provide for you and your organization that's going to simplify video outreach, that's going to drive revenue to your organization, and most important, put more money in your team's pockets. You see, we're in a world where we need to separate ourselves from our competitors in unique ways. Attention spans are at an ultimate low. You go to social media, we're bombarded with buy now, buy now, buy now. Many don't read emails anymore. The old style of cold calling and picking up the phone is not getting as much traction as it used to. So why not incorporate video? Why not bring a more personal experience to your clients to know that you're supporting them, to know who they're working with on a day-to-day basis? I want you to sit back as I'm getting ready to do a live seminar, and I would love for you to watch to see how I conduct business. Because I'm not your average virtual sales professional. I do things different here in GB3 Studios. And I'm confident if you choose me as your instructor, you won't regret it. So before we get started, I want you to sit back and relax. I want you to grab your newest Micro Studio kit that you just invested in. I want you to set it up. And I want to welcome you to your virtual video meeting seminar. Let's get into it. Hello, everybody. Welcome to your virtual meeting messenger seminar. I'm your instructor, Garrin Bulani, and I want to get down into this because we're limited on time. Something doesn't seem right, though. Oh, hang on a second. There, that's a little better. So you're here today because you have an interest in video messaging. This may be in the categories of you've tried video messaging and you haven't had success with it. You've heard of video messaging, but you've never really tried it before. or you're just here because you want to learn more about how you can put yourself in the best possible position to be successful, it is my absolute honor to be your instructor today. And we're going to be going over all of these questions that you have. And I want to let you know, everybody, this is a live seminar, so I am watching and monitoring your questions in the chat. And I want to assure you, during this seminar, we're going to stop. This is an interactive seminar, so I'm able to stop, have some conversations with you, make sure we're answering questions, making sure you're not falling behind in this seminar. And I want you to know, if there are many questions and we do run out of time, I will ensure that I will provide you with a custom video just for you, answering that specific question you have to ensure that you're finding value in this seminar. Before we get started in this seminar, I want you to get your micro studio set up, because many questions that I get asked during this seminar is, when should I be implementing video? What platform should I be implementing on video? What talk track should I use to be able to get traction? Are they even watching my videos? Why aren't they watching my videos? How come I'm not able to get the traction I want on video? Listen, this is why I'm your instructor, and this is why I'm absolutely excited to be able to provide all of these answers for you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get into this. I'm your instructor, Garrin Bulani, and I appreciate you taking the time to come into GB3 Studios today to give me the opportunity to demonstrate what I can provide for your clientele, what I can provide for your team, and the value that we're going to be able to bring for your organization when we're able to implement video marketing and social selling using video on a day-to-day basis. If you do have questions, or if you do have interest in having me as your instructor today, I encourage you to reach out. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn or any other social media platform. You can also scan that QR code, or just give me a phone call. I appreciate taking the time to watch this seminar, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have yourself a great day.